Okay, so these are the TOZO NC9 wireless earbuds, affordable, compact and promising active noise cancellation at a budget. Let's unbox them and find out what they really offer. So I'm just gonna peel off the seal from the package. Look at the packaging. It's super clean, sleek and minimum, just the way I like. Okay, let's see what we got inside. Inside we got the earbuds in their charging case and a USB Type-C cable and 6 pairs of silicone tips for different sizes. Let's take them out and see. These are made of silicone and there are 6 pairs for different sizes. Put them away for now. And a user manual. So nobody reads it, but maybe once. Let's put everything away for now and have a look at this compact size, very beautifully designed TOZO NC9 noise cancellation earbuds. So the charging case feels solid in hand, matte black with a nice weight to it. It's simple pocket size and has a small LED indicator on the front. So it shows it has 100% charge in it. And the earbuds, they are themselves are compact with a matte finish and gold accent around the touch sensor. You can see a nice little touch that gives them a very premium feel. Now for the specs that caught my attention, these have hybrid active noise cancellation, transparency mode, dual mic noise reduction for clearer calls and Bluetooth 5.0, and they are also rated IPX6 waterproof, making them suitable for workouts or getting caught in light rain. You guys might thinking about the battery. So the battery is very good, about 8 hours per charge plus 24 more with the case. So and they have little branding on it. See how premium and beautiful they look. So small and so compact. Okay, so now it's time to connect it to my phone and let's see how easy the pairing process is. So I'm just gonna open this case and we'll just go into the settings and then we'll go to the Bluetooth, and I'm gonna find this device, and there you see the device. It's so simple, so easy, and it's connected. Connection is just too smooth and fast, no app required. Once paired, you will hear a soft chime in the earbuds. From here you are ready to play music, take calls or activate noise cancelling. So I just put them on in my ears. Surprisingly, the fit is snug. The passive seal alone blocks a good amount of outside noise even before the active noise cancellation is turned on. And if we talk about the music, I played different kind of musics, heavy bass music, podcast, and lots more just to check this device. And the audio is balanced, rich in the low end without overwhelming the mids or vocals. The treble is clean and never too sharp. And when we turn on the ANC, active noise cancellation, it does make a difference. It softens ambient sounds like fans and traffic, which is impressive at this price point. Transparency modes work well too, and video comes through naturally without needing to remove the earbuds. So like in my opinion, these are the like well-rounded option, not trying to be flashy but delivering where it matters. Comfortable fit, useful features, clean sound, and decent ANC, all without a high price tag. They might not compete with flagship earbuds, but for everyday use they are more than enough. Sometimes simple and solid is exactly what we need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, consider subscribing and like for more. And more honest reviews are coming soon. Let me know in the comments what budget earbuds are you using right now, or what you want me to unbox next. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.